So welcome friend, in this video we are going to know about AI agent glossary. So you are a beginner and you want to know about some key terms that are used in AI agents, then this video is for you. So after learning this video you can able to understand what are the main key terms used in AI agent, so you can able to correlate the things and can learn AI agent in a better way. So now we will firstly we will understand what is an AI agent is. So basically, we know about AI agent. So AI agent, a computer program that can think, decide, and do tasks by itself. So you have to more focus on AI agent can do tasks by their self. For example, like a robot friend who replies to your message automatically without telling it every time. So basically, AI agent is a program that can decide and create tasks for you by their self, because they have a thinking and they have authority to create and decide and think and done task by yourself. Now we will understand what is autonomous agent. So basically autonomous agent is a AI that can do work without asking you again and again. You don't need to give permission again and again. Once while the setup, you give him permission at once, and they can task repeatedly by their self without asking you again and again. So here is an example, an AI that switch off the AC when the room becomes too cold. So this is the task, that type of task is done automatically. So here you can see. So autonomous agent can work on its own and without asking you again and again. Now moving to the next, and we will understand what is multi-agent system. So when many AI agents work together and work like a team. Let's suppose you are playing cricket and India will win the match because all the player is doing well. In the same way, multi-agent system, one agent searches your science lesson, and another agent write notes for you, another makes PDF for you, and just like a group or a project team, they can work together and give you the outstanding result. Now we will understand what is LLM agent. So basically LLM agent is large language model agent. So an AI that can understand and write human language, and so it is very important thing. An AI agent can understand and write human language, like or like maybe it will be English or a Hindi. So ChatGPT is a perfect example of LLM. So ChatGPT is answering your homework question. So you have to understand how LLM or agent work. Moving to the next, now we will understand what is reactive agent. So basically reactive agent, now an AI that react instantly without planning or thinking too much. So basically a reactive agent can react instantly without planning or thinking too much. So if you say light on, so the AI agent or Alexa turn your light immediately without thinking that it is right or it is wrong. So planning agent, so what is mean of planning agent? An agent that first thing then make a plan and then does the work. So here in planning agent, for example, you say plan 3-day Goa trip. So the AI searches everything for you, like hotels, what are the timings, what are the budgets, and create a complete plan for you. This is how planning agent will work. Now we'll understand tools using agent. So an agent that can use apps or website just like a human. As a human, if you do regular tasks, you use lot of apps and application. In the same way, tool using agent can use multiple apps and website just like you, and they can create a better output for you. For example, an AI that checks the Google calendar and book a doctor appointment for you. If you give them command like book a doctor appointment for me, so the tool AI agent can do all these things for you. Now, moving to the next type of the agent, that is known as a workflow agent. So, what is workflow agent do? So, basically, the AI that follows step by step routine every day. So, what they can do for you? Every morning the AI check weather for you, send message for you, suggest the cloth wear for you, just like your morning routine before school. So basically workflow AI agent set up your everything, every routine as per your need. Now there is a goal based agent. You can create a goal based agent also. So AI basically continue working until your goal is completed, not just a bonus step. So until unless you, if you want to get successful person in your life, you have to achieve your goal anyhow. So the goal based agent help you to figure out what is your goal, and they help you out to fulfill that. So for example, you say make an exam timetable, so the AI can adjusting the subject and timing until the timetable is perfect, and they can assign all the things for you as per your goal. Moving to the next, now the 10th term is API. So basically, the full form of API is Application Programming Interface, a way of apps and AI to talk each other. You need a medium to connect two different apps or AI with each other. With the help of API, you can do easily. So AI connect with your Instagram and post a photo. So this is all done by API. What is prompt? The meaning of the prompt is a message or a question you give to AI. So basically, it is an input that you give to the AI. So after understanding that input or a question, a prompt will reflect the output. So example, make my study timetable. If you type this on ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can create a timetable for you as per your study need. Now we will understand what is system prompt, the rule that tells AI how to behave. So for example, you are a polite teacher, so the AI talks politely. So basically it is a system prompt or a role modeling prompt, like AI behave like that. If you ask, like you are a lawyer and you have to suggest the law to the student, what are the do's and don'ts, so AI will do that for you. So basically system prompt do that for you. Now moving to the next, and now there is a term named action. So what does it mean? So a task that can AI do, a task that AI can do. So what type of task AI can do? They can search Google for you, they can send email for you, create a timetable for you. Now example, AI is searching science chapter for you. If you give the command like search the science chapter for you for class 6, so they can easily search for you. Now the next term is observation. So basically the information that AI receives from outside. For example, weather app says rains today. AI uses to plan your day according to the news, according to the observation. Now there is a term named reasoning. So AI think, compare choices and decide the best opinion. So example is AI deciding whether you should take an umbrella to go to school or not. So on the basis of the comparison, on the basis of the choices and decisions, AI can make decision for you. Now moving to the next. So the next is agent loop. What does it means? The agent loop. The AI repeat cycle. So see, think, do, learn, repeat. So the fact how AI agent can work as a loop. Firstly, they see the things, then think, then do, then learn, and repeat the same process. For example, if you say AI day, the every day the AI what kind of task it will be done. See your school timetable, plans homework for you, helps you finish your homework, learn what you find difficult, and improve the next day. So this is how AI can work. Now we will understand the next terminology, that is human in the loop. So you check the AI work before it takes action. Example, AI write a WhatsApp message for you. You press send and AI does not send without you. So firstly, AI do the things, but so in the end you have to check like the messages as per your need, message is okay or not. So this is how you can check. Now the next important term is the guardrails. So what does it mean? So basically safety rules that stop AI from doing harmful things. So AI cannot delete your photos unless you allow it. So basically guardrails are the some safety rule or the limitation you tell to the AI, please don't do these things, don't do that things. So guardrails help you out what things not done by AI mistakenly. Now moving to the next. Now we will understand the embeddings. What does it means? Embedding. So AI turn into the numbers so it can understand the meanings. For example, AI know mobile and phone mean the same things. Now the next term is fine tuning. So that simply means training the AI without own data to make it smarter. So what is meaning of fine tuning? Training the AI with your own data to make it smarter. For example, teacher AI to talk exactly like your favorite teacher. So you give some extra training, or you give some extra data and train your agent with the help of fine tuning. Now, what is mean of environment? So, meaning the place where AI works. So, you give the right environment to your agent so they can able to work without any issue. For example, your phone, your laptop, apps, and website. So basically, these are the places where AI can perform their task. Now we will learn from one example, the AI doing homework for you, work inside your laptop. So if you give the command, AI can do the homework for you, but they can check like what is the most comfortable environment for that. Like phone is very comfortable for them to handle the like operations, or laptop is good, or other apps is good. So you give a good environment to perform the task with LLM or AI. Now we will understand the next important glossary terms, that is AI agent. So that is agent framework. What is meaning of that? So tools used to build an AI agent. So there are some frameworks. With the help of these framework, you can able to create AI agents. So with the help of these frameworks, you can create or build AI agents. So for example, LangChain is there, Crew AI is there, Open AI agent is there. For example, like using a Lego blocks to build a different robot. So with the help of frameworks, you can create different types of AI agent as per your need. So now the next term is agentic workflow. So the meaning of the whole system where AI does multiple task action automatically in the sequence. For example, AI can summarize homework for you. They can make note for you, create important questions for you, and make a revision plan for you, all without doing anything. So there is a setup, there is a workflow. So AI can understand each and everything. So if you want to complete your homework, or you want to task automatically done, so AI can do all the things. They can summarize your homework, create notes for you, create important questions, you make a revision plan for you, and all without doing anything. So this is how the workflow will works. So if you are a total beginner and you want to make career in AI agent, so this is video for you. Now if you are a totally beginner and want more update, just comment yes, I become a prompt engineer. Just comment in the chat box so I will give you a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.